Hello, today I'm going to show you this awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to this fan heater, and this is a portable electric heater with 2 heat settings and night light on top. Oh, this is a space heater with LCD display. Energy saving, silent, overheat protection, a timer, and it's awesome for the bathroom, for the living room, or for our office. Advanced heating elements provide faster and more efficient heating than traditional heaters. This personal space heater here can heat up quickly within 2 seconds. This electric heater is perfect for bedrooms, offices, and rooms with a size of 20 square meters. We keeps our hands, feet, and the whole body warm while studying, reading, working, and of course sleeping in the wintertime. This is ideal for parents, elders, pets, children, and all other people out there. This fan heater features energy-saving technology that allows it to use up to 30% less electricity while delivering the same amount of heat. We reduce our electric bill and the impact on the environment. Lightweight, and it has a handle for easier carrying. This gives us a warm feeling wherever we go. And there is a power supply. This portable electric heater has 2 different temperature settings, as well as an adjustable thermostat, so that the air is always exactly warm as we want it. With the timer function, we can set the time before bedtime, for example, and this heater will switch off automatically. And in summertime, we can use this as a ventilation service without the heat function, of course. This electric heater noise is less than 50 decibel. Small space heater is used for bedroom and office when we go to fall asleep, for example. And of course, it works without disturbing us and others because of the 50 decibel. With an awesome colorful light, it is perfect for the children's room. With the light crystal diode display, we can easily read the temperature on the top of the fan heater itself. This is a built-in overheat protection surfaces. This ensures that the heater will turn off immediately in any unsafe situation. V-O flame retardant material rating. The timer setting can be chosen between 2, 4, or 6 hours. Or we get a peace of mind when using this electric heater, even when we go to sleep at night. We insert the power plug into the socket above 110 up to 220 volt. That means this device you can use nearly worldwide. Then we put the heater above the plate. Otherwise, it may lead to the damping powers which cannot work normally. Effective, the normal use. We turn on the power switch on the back side. The body starts to operate. The PTC heating body starts to gives us 25 degrees Celsius. The highest adjustable temperature will be 32 degrees Celsius. We press plus and minus to adjust the temperature, and we press and hold it for 3 seconds to turn off the heating function. For summertime, for example. We can set 4, 6, or 4 hours or no time limit by using the timing knob. The night light function with 7 different colors of light. Every color can be used independently, and we will choose it by the LED button. We turn off the power switch on the back when we like to power off. The fan, the PTC heating, the body, the colorful night light went off. It stops working at the same time if we switch the device off. For the first time, we check whether the power supply we use is consistent with the requirements of that product here, of course. The rated current of the socket should be greater than 15 ampere. This product is strictly prohibited to be used in the environment with an inflammable and explosive article, and is strictly prohibited to be used in the environment with serious dust and oil pollution. So we can use it only indoor because, of course, it is not waterproof, but it is easy to navigate with that. It's a tabletop heater. The model is NFJ001. The rated total power is 800 watt up to 1000 watt. The input voltage 110 volt up to 220. The product size 130 to 130 to 167 millimeter. The weight is 710 gram. You see, that's small, easy to use, and it looks modern and smart because it's easy to operate with the buttons on top of it. That is this awesome fan heater, a portable fan heater with 2 heat settings and night light. Space heater with LCD display and energy-saving silent overheat protection. With a timer, it's awesome for bedroom, for the living room, or our office. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.